Welcome to KiddoTV. Our platform can be a little overwhelming at first, so please give me 3 minutes to explain our essential features. Firstly, please download our mobile application by simply following the links provided or searching for KiddoTV in the Play Store. Next, connect your device by entering the 4-digit code shown on your device into your parent dashboard. Now your device is connected. We need to set KiddoTV as the default launcher or home app so that your child can have a truly immersive and believable journey with our platform. This setting changes what happens when you press the home button on your device, so that your child can't sneakily exit KiddoTV and start browsing the net or accessing other undesignated content. Essentially, your device is now locked to KiddoTV, but don't panic. We designed it so your child can't exit the app, but you can. Simply log in to the parent dashboard on another device. Find the specified device and click Release Device. Now the device will prompt you to select the Home app again. Simply select the original default launcher or Home app, and your device is back to normal. Now all you need to do is select the videos you want your child to watch, add them to their device library, and you'll be ready to rock and roll. So all that is left now is to explain how the screen time regulation works. Every day your child is given a select amount of screen time. The default is 30 minutes, but you can change this in the Parent Settings panel. The default screen time of 30 minutes means your child can watch 30 minutes of videos each day. When the time is used up, we show a flat battery screen. So if they ever nag you for more screen time, you can simply sympathize and say, "We will have to charge the device." Now to keep it realistic. When the device is plugged in, we reward every 6 minutes while the device is plugged in with 1 minute of screen time, up to the original screen time amount, in the default case another 30 minutes. However, your child can also use our Fast Charge feature to refresh the screen time. Once per day, we allow the child to take the Fast Charge quiz, which rewards them with another allocation of the original screen time. This is an educational quiz, so they are taught the valuable lesson that hard work pays off. Now, if your child has used up all 3 of these screen times and you want to give them more time, you can reset the day via the online control panel. This gives them a fresh start and is the same as how the screen time is refreshed for a new day. Lastly, the app requires an internet connection to function, so if required, fast tap the Wi-Fi icon 3 times to access the Wi-Fi settings. Now that we have passed on all of our wisdom, you are ready to change your child's digital experience for the better. We hope you really enjoy our service, and if you have any questions or feedback at all, we're all ears. Simply flick us a message at support@kiddo.tv.